have lots of Sanrio goodies, Sumikko Gurashi, Mother Garden. The first item I'll take out is our extra. It is a sleepy koala. I've never seen this before. Super soft and cute. Here it is out of the packaging. It says it's actually by Squishy. I did not know they made this. How soft and cute is that? Thank you so much for this extra. The next item I'm going to show you are these Sumikko Gurashi, and they're like mascot squishies, and I still don't know their names, so please forgive me. And they're super soft. They kind of remind me of Chigiri buns, but they're a little bit more fast rising. Here's the next one, giving a yellow heart. And these are a good size and they feel really nice. Here is a cat with an orange heart. The penguin with a green heart. And the last one is this bear with a pink heart. And they had another style as well, but I chose to just get these main 5. I'm really happy with them. Okay, next I'll show you these Sanrio, forgot what they're called, but basically it's like a little skewer. Come with this plastic packaging. And this one is Pom Pom Purin. So you can feel the stick up to about there. And I originally wasn't sure if I wanted to get these because I'm not really loving squishies with the stick on it, but it's actually quite cute. The other one I got was my Melody. I kind of wanted the Hello Kitty one too, but it was sold out, so I might have to find that somewhere else. But yeah, these are really cute and really soft. The next item is kind of like, I don't know if this is called a Madeleine cake by Mother Garden. And it's so pretty. It looks so realistic. I love Mother Garden squishies. Next is this cookie. And I always find Mother Garden squishies are like pretty reasonably priced and they're really nice quality. They're usually not scented, but they look great and they feel great. That's like a cheesecake, I think. Oh, and here is another skewer, or I think dangle. This is Siriton. And this one, the stick goes to pretty high up to about the face. The very last item are these marshmallows. Oh my goodness. They come in a different set of colors too, but I really like this pastel one. I want to take these out of packaging to see. So they are all double wrapped too. Wow. So it's really simple, but yeah, how satisfying. It's like a green marshmallow. So soft. This one's a little bit not as soft. So I am just thrilled with everything in this package. I totally recommend Squishyholic. Thanks for watching this video.